Hello kids, welcome to Kids Study with Rushikaa. Today we will learn vowels. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Today we will discuss about vowel A. Vowel A. Vowel A is a sound words with vowel A. Cat, bat, rat, mat, hat, car, bar. So dear, these are the examples of vowel A sound. In these sound, A is a sound in these words like cat, bat, rat, mat, hat, car, bar, and many more examples. Thank you kids.